What's up, guys? I'm back like I never left. In this video, we are going to be talking about Dogecoin and what can potentially help it to go to $1. So we have a massive catalyst that can definitely help it. I'm going to cover that important information in this video. I'm also going to go over a quick technical analysis and what are some important price points we need to be watching out for Dogecoin. And I'm also going to be talking about what happened to the overall stock market and what are some important, economic data we need to be watching out for tomorrow. So I'm going to cover all this important information coming up. Now, before we get into the video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button. Have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below and check out the links and description box if you want to get free stocks, free Bitcoin, and etc. So today there was a massive news, the massive poll, as I said. Today there was a fantastic, news that came out for Dogecoin, right? Because Elon Musk is actually considering to accept Dogecoin for Tesla purchases. So that is going to be massive because at the end of the day, if we want Dogecoin to be successful, people need to take it seriously. They need to have a practical application of buying and selling. That is what a currency is all about. To practically, go out there and buy different things with this currency. So this is really fantastic. So when you go and look at his Twitter page, he did a poll asking people, do you want Tesla to accept Doge? So 77.9% of the people said yes, and we have 22.1% they said no. So this is massive because if Tesla decides to accept Doge as a payment currency, that is going to definitely boost the price higher in the short term, of course, and Tesla was one of the companies that actually decided to accept, Bitcoin as a payment currency if you want to buy Tesla vehicles. Now, Doge is being considered. So just knowing that information by itself is going to be massive. And we all know that, Elon Musk is a huge supporter of Dogecoin, and that can definitely help this stock to go higher and higher. So another important thing when you look at exactly, how the price action has been reacting for the past few days is that Doge, of course, have been aggressively selling off. It went down more than 30% from the SNL, stream that we had on Saturday, unfortunately, but it found a fantastic support close to 44 cents. So right now it's bouncing back up every time it touches the 44 cents. And if we get other companies to come out and say that they're willing to accept Dogecoin as a currency for you to purchase any of the products, that can definitely help this stock price to be trading higher and higher. I mean, the cryptocurrency price to go higher and higher. One of the major, companies that accept, Doge as a payment is the Mavericks, the Dallas Mavericks, right? If you want to go and purchase tickets and if you want to purchase different things on their website, you can definitely be able to use Dogecoin as a payment. So as we get more of these major companies accepting Doge, that can definitely help wide range acceptance, and the stock price, the cryptocurrency price is going to stabilize. Right now, we're seeing this 10% move up and down. Sometimes when there's a massive catalyst, it can go up around like 100% or 200%, and then it drops like 60% right around over here. Usually that happens a lot, but once we have these major companies accepting it, we can potentially see some stability in the coin prices. We're not going to be able to see, huge up and down movement, but of course, in the short term, this is definitely speculation, right? A lot of people are buying it, to make money really quickly, to flip it really quickly, and also there's another group of people, the Doge army, that are buying and holding it for the long term. So for the long term, it seems like it's brighter for Doge if you just want to buy it and hold it, because if Tesla comes out, the next few days or within the next few months that they're going to be accepting Doge for you to buy Tesla, that is massive. Not only that, they're going to literally send Doge to the moon, right? So SpaceX is launching a satellite, as you can see from the Twitter page of Elon Musk. Doge went to the moon next year. So this is also another catalyst, right? So if you decide to buy Doge today, you can just buy and hold it. It might potentially, maybe go down or go up and down a lot. It might fluctuate a lot, but this is going to be massive catalyst for next year, depending upon if they're successful in launching this spacecraft all the way to go to, to the moon, that can definitely help it to go higher too. So this is also another catalyst to watch for Dogecoin. So the mission paid for in Doge, the first cryptocurrency in space, first meme in space to the moon. So that is exactly what Elon Musk has been tweeting about. So definitely watch out for Dogecoin within the next few days. So the price prediction, of course, in the long term, it can definitely hit $1, but it's definitely going to be hard for it to, to hit $1 by tomorrow or the day after that. It might potentially hit, 60 cents or, even test the highs if, Tesla comes out saying that they're going to be accepting Doge, or if Amazon comes out and say they're going to be accepting Doge. That can definitely help to boost the price higher. But in the long term, if you just buy and hold it, it can go to $1 pretty soon, depending upon how things unfold with the whole cryptocurrency situation that we're undergoing right now. So now let's talk about exactly what happened to the stock market today. So as you can see over here, we have some sectors that have been aggressively selling off today. We have the energy sector that is down significantly. The past few days, it was performing very, very well. Today it had a slight pullback. We have financial stocks that actually pulled back today too. Yesterday they've been performing very well. Big tech stocks yesterday were getting hammered. We got stocks like Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. They're just going down yesterday, but today they recovered a little bit. Even Tesla is down, Apple is down, Microsoft is down. But we have some important economic data that is going to be coming out tomorrow. We got inflation numbers, so that is going to be pretty huge, because these high growth, high flyer stocks, they can be affected with inflation because their valuations is definitely going to be higher. And if inflation is going to be coming pretty soon, and we're experiencing inflation in some areas of the economy, so it's going to be really interesting to see how these high growth stocks are going to be reacting to those inflation numbers. We'll see how that goes, but definitely keep an eye on all of these high growth stocks if you want to buy the dip on them, right? We have Tesla stock pulling back a lot. We have Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, we got Square, Roku, all these high growth, very, very speculative, explosive growth companies that are going to be going higher in the future. They're getting beat down, right? We have NIO's been down, is getting close to $30. We have other companies like all the electric vehicle companies that we talked about. We got Workhorse that's down like a lot due to earnings. We got Opendoor, all the SPAC companies that been recently that went IPO. They're just getting destroyed, right? So definitely keep them in your watch list if you want to get involved in them, of course. But it's definitely going to be a rough road, because inflation numbers are going to be really, really vital depending upon how the market's going to be reacting for that number. So definitely keep in mind that. But that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, any comments, of course, make sure you drop in the comments below, hit the like button, check out the links in the description box if you want to get, free stocks, free Bitcoin, etc. But I catch you guys on another video. Make sure you manage your risk if you want to get involved in any of these cryptocurrencies and etc. And make sure you manage your risk. But that's going to be for the video. Have a wonderful day.